Good afternoon. This is Mike Flavin, certified senior housing professional with eXp Realty here in Orlando, Florida. I want to start this Smarter Senior video series event talking about my events, the topics that I've chose, and how it is designed to protect, inform, and educate seniors and active adults in our community. I've started this Smarter Senior Seminar series now. This is my fourth year. And ordinarily, I have this every year. I put this flyer together. It shares what locations, it shares what topics, what events, what days and times. And of course, in the center are my sponsors who work with me and support me and they are presenters at my events. They support that I'm providing information and education out to you, our senior and active adult demographic. So the 8 topics that I do this year, 4 would be duplicative. Should say really 3 are duplicative, are going to be what you should know about senior living affordability, senior living options, health, aging at home, senior scams, legal, real estate, which is a new one, and insurance, which is a new one. And then this year I was going to do a legal workshop where people can bring in their will, their trust, any of their documents, legal documents, have them reviewed at no charge, and see if any changes need to be made. So given that right now, as I'm taping this, we're experiencing or going through that pandemic, the coronavirus, and my April events along with March have been canceled by the library because we're on a 30-day lockdown now in the state of Florida. The event for this month in April was going to be what you should know about legal. And I was going to have an elder law attorney speak. I was going to have a funeral director speak. Not a director, but a sales and marketing person. I always fought with this, but keep in mind, I haven't found anybody or met anybody that has lived past 120. So it's inevitable we need to talk about funeral. I always struggle with it, but now it's a part of my program. And the last one would be hospice. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about hospice. I love sharing it. I was able, in my family, with my brother, who passed several years back, I suggested and recommended that my brother's family use hospice when they know that his death was imminent, and they chose, and they were very grateful because it was nice for them and also for my brother. So I have a hospice presenter there. They, just so you know, they always are looking for volunteers. I know that seniors and active adults have a lot of time on their hands. They're always looking or how they can give back. I give back by delivering Meals on Wheels, and I've been doing it for the last 6 years, and it's very rewarding. And I think if you're interested, just contact me, and I'll be more than happy to kind of connect you with what type of volunteer opportunities are out there, and you do what makes you happy. And funeral, basically what they do is they kind of get everything together. So when that death happens in the family or a loved one, it's not overwhelming for the family to go through picking out things. What would they want? It's let's get it done now while you're alive and provide wishes and have everything in place when that time comes so the family can grieve. So they talk about that, and I've got a great connection there. And the last one, of course, is the elder law attorney, and I believe in elder law attorney because laws change on an annual basis, and if you have everything under one umbrella, then they can go in and make those tweaks. So they can do a will, they can do trust, they can do probate, they can do what's important is directives. A lot of people, seniors and active adults, don't have those in place, and they need to have them in place. And they can do estate planning. And also, this particular elder law attorney that I use also does my real estate closings for seniors and active adults. So it's all under one. It's a little expensive at the beginning, but in the long run, it is a deal, believe me. And you've got everything in place. So I'll go into more detail on, but these were going to be my speakers for this month. I just want to kind of give you an overview of what type of speakers I have, given the topic that I have for that given month, and what you can expect when you attend any of my Smarter Senior Seminar Series events. Until next time, stay safe and be healthy. Thank you.